Over the Easter weekend, Emma was away in London for her nan's 80th, so I cracked on and made some really good progress with the van. I did various jobs at various stages, so in this one, I'm going to be putting the vinyl roll flooring down. The flooring came in a 4 by 2 metre length, so first up was to get the cardboard tube out, unroll it and fit it in place. This was easier said than done when you're doing it on your own. It would have been a lot easier if we'd had one at each end and we could have just folded it in two and then just laid it into place. It wasn't too bad, it just involved a few times walking up and down and getting things into place. Once you've got it into place and made sure that your pattern is running in line with the van, you basically just go around cutting it to fit. Then it's just a case of rolling it back bit by bit, putting spray adhesive on the back of the vinyl floor and on the plywood, waiting for the solvent to evaporate and then sticking it down, applying pressure and making sure that it's all flat. Once that was down and it was sitting nice and flat, nice and glued, all that was left to do was trim out the two door areas. So I used a piece of aluminium angle to trim out the sliding door and a threshold strip to line out the back of the van where the double doors are.